getting walking around downtown Toronto. It's gonna be a lit day. It's looking hot outside, so you know, gotta make sure I stay cool and hydrated. But first destination, the Dundas Square. Let me just show you guys. Right over there. Should be like a 10-minute walk. And also there's the CN Tower over there. Yeah, let's get to it. Finally made it. This is the Eaton Square. Or no, it's called Dundas Square, sorry. Let me show you around.
A video camera converts the picture into a television signal.
Yeah, so this is the Eaton Centre. Just mobbing inside the Uniqlo store. I don't even know what I'm looking for, but I'm just shopping around right now. They got some nice stuff for sure. This is what it looks like when you get out North Storm. Yeah. Got like 4 floors. Fun fact, there's 230 stores in this mall, so there's options. Let's go. I want to caught one of these pants, dude. Good thing they're really cheap. Yeah. So I just left Eaton Centre. Nothing I really wanted. So, check this out. I just got this whole big pizza, $9. Thank you. $1,000 camera unboxing.
Yeah, I've not. Look at those Japanese.
Straight from Japan.
Oh my god, this baby.
Oh shit!
Look at this, man.
Damn, that's in a good condition too, huh?
Dude, that's how you know Japanese people know how to take care of this baby. Oh my god.
Damn.
Dude, it's so fucking light.
How old is this thing?
1991.
What?
Yep.